Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this bra cup. The materials we're going to need for this tutorial are yarn, scissors, tape rule, and I'm using my hook in 3.5 millimeters. You need to take the measurements of your nipple to your under bust. My measures up around 3.5 inches. So I'm going to make a chain from here getting to this point. We make a slip knot. This is how we make a slip knot. So I'm going to chain 15. So here I have a total number of 15 chains. I'm working with half double crochet, so I'm going to chain extra 2. 1. So yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain, which is 1, 2, 3, the third one. Make a half double crochet. Into the next chain, make another half double crochet. We're going to keep working that way till we get to the end of the chain. So now we've gotten to the end of our row. In this last chain, we're going to make a total of 2 extra double crochets. I've made 1. Make another 1. Then we'll chain 2 and make 2 again. So as you can see, here we made 2 double crochets, half double crochets instead of 1. Then we made 2 chains, then we did the same thing. So now we're going to return back to our initial row, placing 1 half double crochet in every stitch. As you can see, I'm trying to tuck in this rope right here. So we don't have to weave it in later. Now we've gotten to the end of our row. I'm going to turn your work. make half double crochets in these stitches here, and when you get here you repeat the same pattern we did initially. So now we've gotten to where we have our chain 2. We're going to place 2 half double crochets, chain 2, place another 2 half double crochets, sorry, place another 2 half double crochets, and we'll return down.
You almost threw my line. Long stay coordinate. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
gotten to the end of this tutorial. In total I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 holes, same as my first bra cup, and it measures about let's say 7.5, same as the first one. 7.5. So see you in my next tutorial.